So today, what we're going to be doing is I got a customer that brought in her little Lexus here who needs some new bottom seat covers replacements here for her little Lexus. And it's kind of what they look like. So we're going to be going from this to this. Look at that. It's got an airbag. Okay. The seat's not coming out of the car. One thing I don't like to do to my customers is if the seat has an airbag, I don't unplug the airbag wire. I don't want to put them through that kind of pain of having to reset an airbag in their car. So, looks like I'm going to be doing all the work inside the car. So this is the dreaded yellow airbag wire right here. It's the yellow one. All cars have them. It seems like newer than probably 2003, which this car here is. I didn't think this car had one, but yeah, there you go. So what I do is I'd never unplug that. Ever, ever, ever. I don't want to put my customers through the pain of having to get the airbag reset. So this is almost always the case. The front of the seat cover that has the seat hook like this, usually it's already off. It's supposed to go like that, but this is the way you usually find them. They work their way loose. So every car is different. This just happens to be a Lexus. Looks like I got some hog rings under there. I'll take those out. So there was a lot of tugging and pulling, but I got it off of there. And the seat is still in the car. Never took it out. Never unplugged the yellow airbag wire. So the original covers, they come with what's called listing wires. So that's what you see in the listing right here. But you'll see in that with the new covers, these aftermarkets, they sewn a listing here with a little cardboard thing already inserted in there. So no wires. This has sometimes they'll have the Velcro like this in the middle for like right here. So now that means all we have to do is just go ahead and install this one. So we'll start with lining it up where it belongs with the hog rings. And we got Velcro there, so I guess the Velcro will hold it in place for us. Right there. start the hog rings. So I usually start right in the center. Work your way out from the center. So now we're gonna go put it back together. I'm not gonna bore you guys with all the details, so I'm just gonna work, get it all back together. You saw how it came apart. So we'll see what it looks like here when I'm done. I have the first one finished. Took me about 2 hours. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to the second one over there. But you know what? I'm not gonna bore you guys with the second one. If you wanted to know how the second one is done, just rewind this video and watch it again, because it's gonna be the same exact thing. Just so that you know, I did finish the other side. So I guess that finishes up this one. If this has been helpful to you and you like this video, please like it and subscribe. As I have a working upholstery shop, I do different projects every day. So please subscribe, and I'll be sharing some of my most secret techniques that I've learned over 41 years. Thanks, y'all. See you around.